Hello! Today we're going to learn how to submit an assignment with a YouTube video. So for this assignment, you will submit a video, a YouTube video. Make sure you follow the directions of each assignment very carefully. Answer every question listed. If you have any questions, you can ask the teacher. Always look and see what the due date is for the assignment, how many points it's worth, and how the teacher would like you to submit it. In this case, a text entry box, a website URL, a media recording, or a file upload. And these are the types of files that the teacher will accept for the assignment. This is important because if it's not listed there, the teacher will not be able to grade your assignment and probably not have a program that can open up the other types of files. You'll just click Submit Assignment. Now, for this particular lesson, we're going to learn how to submit our assignment using a text entry. Now, I just scrolled down after I clicked Submit Assignment, and I saw these various types of file type submissions. For the first one, you see file upload, and if you happen to have uploaded your YouTube file on your computer, then you can probably just choose the file. And there are various applications out there that can download a file for you from YouTube. Here's one. And it's just a file with a bunch of snowflakes. And I just selected it, and then I will just click Submit Assignment. Another thing that you can do is you can click on Text Entry. This is the area that we're going to focus most of our attention. Now, the way that you can upload your media file generally is by pressing this button. But if you have a YouTube video that you want the teacher to be able to see right when they open up your assignment easily, you can always give her a link so that she can link to it, but you can also embed the file. And the way that you do that is by clicking on this Apps area. And then you will see a list of different apps that you can use. In this case, you'll just click YouTube. And you'll search for your YouTube. I'm going to search my own name, Melina Copeland. And then I pressed enter, and I see all the different possible videos that I have uploaded. Here's one that I do for English as a second language on the prepositions in, on, and at. I'll just click embed, and there you have it. It's now right in my text box. I can just click after in the white after it, and then I can add text. This is my assignment, or any types of answers to the questions your teachers might have. So you can type in text, and you can also add YouTube videos. Like I said, you can also just add a link for a YouTube video like this, and then highlight it, and then click link. And when you do that, then you can also add the link there, and then you can add text here. My assignment. And that's the different ways that you can add a YouTube video onto Canvas. The last option is to just click on the website URL, add the website URL there, write your comments, and then click Submit. You'll click Submit Assignment when you're done, and if the assignment has been submitted, you'll see that it says Submitted with the date and time in the top right-hand corner. Good luck with your assignment, and have a wonderful semester.